Hello everyone, welcome to EarthID YouTube channel. In this tutorial, let me show you how to calculate and compare means, standard deviation, or other descriptive statistics measurements for two groups in SPSS. Keep watching this video until the end so you will understand what I mean precisely. In this video, I already prepared two variables in 20 data. One is categorical data for regions and the other one is scale data for income. You can see at the region variable, 1 represents rural area and 2 for urban area. At the next column, you see a list of different income. Here, we will calculate and compare the mean, standard deviation, or another measurements so you can compare and get the portrait of income variable based on the region. In this case, based on urban and rural. Normally, when we want to analyze the descriptive statistic of our variable, we go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then click Descriptives. You see the Descriptives dialog box here, and then let me reset it first, and click the variable we want to analyze. Here, we want to analyze the income, so click the income variable and hit the arrow button to move it to the variable box, and the option button, click it, and choose the calculation that you want at the table box. At the output window, then click the mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and everything is good. Click continue. We don't need the standardized value, so just uncheck it and then click OK. Sorry, let me delete first. Now we obtain the descriptive statistics measurement at the output window. You see at the end column we have 20 data in this analysis. The minimum value is 1000, the maximum value is 2100, the mean is 1468.75, and standard deviation is 193.445. Of course, this descriptive statistics table is not 100% wrong. However, if we can make the calculation more detailed based on urban and rural areas or based on the categorical variable, the resulting output will provide more useful information. Okay, now let's head back to the data view window. And let's do the proper analysis. Go to Analyze, Compare Means, and click Means. Here, you see the means dialog box and you need to put the correct variable based on the right list. At the dependent list, click the variable you want to analyze. Here, click the income variable and hit the arrow button. And at the independent list at the bottom here, click the categorical variable that we want to compare the means. Because we want to compare the mean based on the region, click the region variable and hit the arrow button so the variable moves to the independent list box. And at the options button, click it. You see the whole statistics measurement that you can use, median, sum, minimum, maximum here, and you can add the statistical measurement that you need. Click the minimum here, the maximum, and I think it's good. And the number of cases, let's move it to the top and click continue. No need for statistic for first layer because we just want to do the descriptive statistics calculation. Continue and then click OK. Before we go to interpret the table, let's delete this step first so we have a clear and better vision. Okay, at the case processing summary table, we can conclude that all the data, which means 20 data in our worksheet, is 100 processed. At the report table, there are 3 rows that you can see: rural, urban, and total. At the end column, we have 11 data for rural and 9 data for urban. At the total, you can see we have 20 data. At the mean column, we obtain that the mean income of rural area is $1,265.91 US. Meanwhile, the mean income of the urban area is $1,716.67 US. We can get the information that people in urban area has better income than the rural area. At the standard deviation column, the standard deviation of the rural is 118.466. Meanwhile, the standard deviation for urban area is 247.487. we can get the information that people in urban area have more varied incomes than rural areas. And at the minimum column, you can see that people in rural area, the minimum income is about 1,000 and their maximum income is 1,400. At the urban area, their minimum income is 1,500 and their maximum income is 2,100 US dollar. If we look at the total section of this table, the value is the same as the total value in the descriptive table above. By providing comparisons of mean differences, standard deviations, and other statistical measures based on groups, we can get more complete and useful information. This analysis will be very useful if you use categorical and ratio variables at the same time. You can also use this method if you have more than 2 groups in your categorical data. That's it. See you in another video.